This 2025 East to West Blackthorn 3100RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.